Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Cricut Joy Bluetooth not working, reconnect and pair your device. Fix 1. Power cycle the machine. Turn off the Cricut Joy and unplug the power cable and wait for around 60 seconds. Now plug the power cable back in and turn the machine back on. Open Cricut Design Space and try pairing again. Fix 2. Forget and unpair the Cricut Joy. Open Bluetooth settings on your device and find Cricut Joy in the Pair device list. Now select Forget device, remove or unpair, and turn Bluetooth off and back on. Then put Cricut Joy into pairing mode and connect it again. Fix 3. Restart your Cricut Joy. Unplug the Cricut Joy power cable and wait for about 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and try connecting again. Fix 4. Repair via Cricut Design Space. Place your Cricut Joy near your device and open Cricut Design Space. Now update the app if needed and select Cricut Joy from the machine picker. Follow the on-screen steps and let Design Space pair the machine automatically. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.